Hello, my wonderful viewers. You're welcome once again to Frequency Online Maths. Today we are going to solve this math problem, jam question. So, USA lesson students, gather here. My mathematics class, all of you should do what? Gather here now. Now, let's solve this jam question. We thank the management of USA Lesson Center by name Sapi. You are doing well. We thank you. So, it's not easy. So the third and seventh term of a GP are 6 and what? 96 respectively. Find the common ratio. So if you wanna get your A, I mean three something in JAMB, so come to that lesson center. We are going to nullify you so that you are going to know the tips, what you need to know to pass your what? Post UTM. So let's go. The third and seventh term of a GP are 6 and what? 96 respectively. Find the common ratio. So what is a GP? A GP is when you have the ratio of a term is constant with its preceding term. You know that is what a GP. So what's the formula? Tn is equals to ARN minus 1. So let's solve. So they said the third is equals to 6. So T3 is equals to AR 3 minus 1. Where A is the first term, R is the common ratio. So T3 is equals to AR2, which is equals to what? 6, right? So T7 is equals to AR7 minus 1. So T7 is equals to AR6, which is equals to 96. Are you seeing it? So we are going to have AR6. Okay, let me write it here. So we have AR6 is equals to 96 and AR2 is equals to 6. Equation 1 and equation 2. Let's move over to this board. So divide equation 1 by 2 by equation 2. So we're going to have AR6 is equals to 96 and divided by AR2 all over 6, where this one is the divisor, this one is the dividend. So when we divide this one with, okay, let me use normal indices rule so that you understand this. So we have A times R raised to power 6 all over A times R raised to power 2, right? So when we divide this one, we are going to have 16. So remember, in indices, if you have A raised to power B all over A raised to power C is equals to A, because they are the same, it will be B minus C, where B is greater than C. Is the only what criteria this thing can happen. So we are going to have, let me clean. We are going to have what? Remember that this one is power 1, power 1. So it's going to be A over A raised to power 1 raised to power 1 is equals to A 1 minus 1. So, so we are going to have 1 minus 1, which is A 1 minus 1, right? Now, coming to this one, we have R6 over R2, which is equals to R6 minus 2. This one is what? 1 minus 1 is what? 0. A raised to the power of 0 is what? 1. So 1 divided by 1 is what? 1. So we have this one is 6 minus 2 is what? 4. So we have R of 4. So let's move over to this side. Okay. So we are going to have R raised to the power of 4 is equals to 16. We take the fourth root of both sides. R is equals to, taking the fourth root of both sides. R is equals to, fourth root of 16 is what? 2. So our R is equals to 2. 2 is the common ratio. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.